Today I'm going to show you how to get a gorgeous, glowing, filtered look on your skin and bigger, brighter eyes. You can't have a beautiful painting without a beautiful canvas. Apply my incredible magic cream. Next, apply my Genius Magic Eye Rescue. So darlings, now I'm going to apply my magic foundation and I'm going to mix it with my Hollywood Flawless filter. And this is the most incredible complexion booster. Apply my Genius Retoucher underneath the eyes. This is my Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So darlings, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect brow today. And then you take your eyebrow pencil and it goes across your iris. This is a fabulous tool because it's shaped like a sword. So you just literally take that and then just draw, sort of following the way that the hairs grow. Going to use a Legendary Brows. I'm now going to show Yolanda how to dial up her filter look using my Bigger Brighter Eyes palette in EXXAGER-EYES. I'm going to use the eye primer. I'm just going to go backwards and forwards all over the eye. I take my blender brush and dipping it into the enlarged shade. I'm just going to nestle that in the socket of the eye and then just go backwards and forwards, and it's such a pretty burnished rose gold but very soft and very dreamy. I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to put it into the defined shade, and I'm just going to take that, the outer corner of the eyes, bending downwards and up into the socket. I'm now going to use my pencil and I'm just going to take that, the outer corner of the eye. So darlings, now I'm going to apply my Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. This gives you up to 500% more volume. Now I'm going to apply my Film Star Bronze and Glow. This is a fantastic product because it's just so easy to use, so flattering, so soft. It's sort of like capturing sunlight in a bottle and putting it into a palette. I'm going to pop on Pillow Talk lip liner, and I think it's really important to line your lips. You can fill in, and this colour is just fabulous on everybody. So darlings, I'm going to pop on a little bit of my Ecstasy blush in my Swish and Pop. I love blusher because it adds instant happiness and life to the skin. For that perfect Instagram filter, and this is something that I literally created for the kind of Hollywood red carpet. It is amazing. It's my Hollywood Beauty Light wand, and this really is inspired by HGTV and Instagram filters, and just how can we create that magic. So darlings, again, I adore this. This is so fantastic. This is my collagen lip bath. And this is something that literally I just think everyone should have one in their handbag. And it is packed not only with marine collagen, but also mustard seed extract. And it has this wonderful, wonderful, beautiful color. I created this wonderful, milky, pretty pink, very fresh. It's like a complete sort of plumpness and freshness for the lips. And you just pop that on and it makes the lips look instantly wider, fuller, nourished and gorgeous, just like bathing in a bath of collagen. And I've got this wonderful heart applicator because it's giving a lot of lip love to your lips. And it's wonderful because it literally goes around the contours of the lips and gives you this perfect finish. Darlings, I always say finish every look off with Scent of a Dream. Scent of a Dream is a portal for the senses, and this has beautiful notes, lemon, patchouli, frankincense, and it really has the most wonderful trail. So as you kind of move your hair and waft around, people will never forget you with Scent of a Dream.